This is homework section 7.2, page 350, number 13. 3x minus 6y equals 30, y equals negative 6x plus 34. We're solving this problem by using the substitution method. Since the second equation is solved for y, we're going to take the y in the first equation and replace it with the value of the y in the second equation, which is negative 6x plus 34. So, we take 3x minus 6 parentheses equals 30. This parentheses represents the y value in the first equation and is going to be replaced with the negative 6x plus 34. In the next step, it's very important that we distribute the negative 6 to both the negative 6x and the negative 6 to the positive 34. This gives us 3x plus 36x, realizing a negative times a negative is a positive. And then we take the negative 6 times 34, that's a minus 204. If you have to use your calculator for that, that's perfectly fine. That equals 30. We now combine our like terms, the 3x and the 36, giving us 39x. Minus 204 equals 30. Going on from here, we want to move the numbers to the right side, so we're going to add 204 to both sides, giving us 39x equals 234. To solve this problem, we would divide both sides by 39. 234 divided by 39 is 6, so x equals 6. This is our first answer to the two-part problem. We now want to solve for the variable y. Which equation would it be better to use? In this case, the second equation is probably going to be the better choice to start with because it already is solved for y and it will allow you a very simple way to go about your problem. So I'm going to write down number 2 representing the second equation, and I'm going to say y equals negative 6x plus 34. The x is now replaced with a 6, and I add 34. Negative 6 times 6 is negative 36 plus 34. Let me slide that up for you. So negative 36 plus 34 is negative 2. This is the second variable as a solution to the problem. We now need to check our problem, and we're going to plug it into the other equation to check. That would be the first equation. The first equation from above is 3x minus 6y equals 30. We're going to take the values of both x and y, and we're going to put them into the second equation to solve. 3 parentheses minus 6 parentheses equals 30. The first parentheses represents x, and since that is 6, we're going to put the 6 in for x. The second parentheses represents y. Since y is negative 2, we're going to put a negative 2 in for y. This now multiplies to 18, positive 12, and 30. 18 plus 12 is 30, so the problem checks, and we have solved the problem correctly. So we need to write the answer as a point, 6, comma, negative 2.